glow with love most everywhere. I'll be the moon when the sun goes down, just to let you know that I'm still around. That's how strong my love is. Whoa, that's how strong my love is. That's how strong my love is, baby, baby. That's how strong my love is. I'll be the weeping willow drowning in my tears, and you can go swimming when you were here. And I'll be the rainbow after the tears are gone, wrap you in my colors and keep you warm. That's how strong my love is, darling. That's how strong my love is, baby. That's how strong my love is. Whoa, that's how strong my love is. I'll be the ocean so deep and wide, and catch all the tears whenever you cry. I'll be the breeze after the storm is gone, to dry your eyes and love you on. Oh, that's how strong my love is, baby. That's how strong my love is. That's how strong my love is, darling. That's how strong my love is again. That's how strong my love is, so deep and wide. That's how strong my love is. So much love, that's so much love. Whoa, that's so much love, that's so much love. Anything that's hard to do, I will do it for you. Any kind of love you want.
Hi guys, thanks so much for watching our video. If you liked it, be sure to give it a big thumbs up so we know. Comment down below what you thought. And if you wanted to learn this choreography step by step, we do have it broken down up on our website. I'm gonna link it down below for you. Go ahead, check it out, and this could be your first dance too. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Just to let you know that I'm still around. That's how strong my love is.